Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Car's still looking clean from the caffeine and gasoline car show on the weekend, so no need to clean it for this weekend. Got a car show on Saturday night, so I really want to change the look of the car. I've been running these wheels for a few years now, so time to change the look. So been talking about it for a while, but time to put the old EB GTs back on. So we'll get them out, clean them up, and we'll chuck them on the car. Missing the Ford badge, gonna put that back on too. Yeah, so they're actually not looking too bad. I think I'll clean them up pretty well before I put them away in the garage, and they've just been sitting there, so they're just dusty and cobwebs and crap all over them, but they're not too bad. Pretty clean behind as well, but I'll give them a quick clean. Might sound like OCD, but I'm gonna take these off and put them so they're the right way around according to the valve stem, like this one is. So when it sits up like that, just those little 1%ers just makes it look just that little bit better. Now, I haven't used tyre shine for years on my FDR shark fins, whatever you want to call them. The tyres seem to quite respond well if I just keep rubbing with a microfiber towel. Almost sort of polishes them almost and makes them sort of look shiny and nice and black because they're really clean. I'll see how these go once they fully dry out, but I'd rather not use tyre shine because I hate how it flicks up on your car. But if I can't get them quite as black and shiny just by rubbing, I might have to put a bit of tyre shine on them. I've got some sort of non-sling stuff because I hate it when it gets all over your car and gets over the wheels. I've got stuff that you just put on by hand and let it completely dry, and then it should stick, and it sticks pretty well. I think I did it to this one a few years ago and it looks still pretty good, so that might be what I have to do. But yeah, I'd rather not use any if I can, but I mean, they don't look too bad. I can get away with it. So much easier to clean them if you do go through a dusty road or something. You just literally just give them a quick dry wipe and they're clean. Now I found the little Ford badges. I've had these for years and years, so I can replace that one. I actually bought them, oh no, I guess on eBay years and years ago when I was obsessed with stockies, and I made my own cap out of a bit of thin aluminium and I put a Ford badge on it. So that was many years ago and I still got it. So anyway, that's great. I still got them. They're the exact same ones I need, so I'll chuck that on. Just give it a quick clean with some isopropyl alcohol, IPA white, just to make sure it's 100% clean. No waxes or polishes or any crap on there, so it never falls off again. Okay. perfect. And it's also sitting the right way. So is that one. Just got to fix these two up. Alright, all finished, cleaned, caps back all the right way, badger on this one. They're in pretty good condition really, just a few of them have a bit of gutter rash, which I do want to get fixed up at some time. I might just take a cap into the paint shop and try and get it matched, unless someone knows what the actual paint code is. A little bit on that one, but otherwise they're pretty good. Tyres are, I don't know, what are they, no names, Rockstone. Radial F105. I bought these probably 10 years ago, or at least 8 years ago, I reckon. They're pretty good. I think the guy said 2 of them were pretty much brand new tyres. Oh, they're all the same tyre, but 2 of them he did a few burnouts, so they're about 50%. But so I'll put them on the back, and the ones with 90+% tread, I'll put them on the front. But they're a good looking wheel, and they're pretty rare these days. Oofed. It's not perfect. I'm gonna have to put tyre shine on it. I can't get these tyres like my FTRs. Yeah, they're not quite as good as these. These are just completely smooth and black with no browning. But that's probably because I've washed them so much and rub them dry every time after I wash them, so they're just like almost like a polished rubber finish. So I'm just going to use a bit of this Meguiar's Endurance tyre gel. It stays on really long. Like I put a bit on last night, and even when I washed it this morning, and high pressure hosed it and scrubbed it with the brush and the all-purpose cleaner, general cleaner, it's still on there. So I'll use a bit of a foam applicator pad and chuck it on, and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, that definitely looks heaps better. And that stuff, especially once it dries out a bit, it pretty much dries to actual dry to touch. It won't sling, so, and it'll stay on for a few weeks, so that looks good. Oh yes, look how good that looks now. Heaps better. I miss these wheels. Bloody good looking wheel. Love that sort of light champagne gold colour. Anyway, they're all black now. Put some tyre shine and cleaned them up. So yeah, going to Warren Ponds Bunnings tonight for car show. Freeway number 11, it's called. So that'll be good. Film some cars, and I'll probably post that up tomorrow. So anyway, hope you guys have a good one, and see you in the next one.